Some churches want clean cribs now. Oh, we just want one culture. Be it, I'm trying to stop saying black and white. Because this is black. And this is white. Brother Hall, come on here. Brother Lee, come on. Now help me out. Come on. Now put your hand right here, sir. Now I tried this. I went to Home Depot. And I went to the paint section. And see, that is brown, sir. That's brown. And that's black.
That's right. That's right.
This is peach, I guess. And this is white. Okay, we